So guys, another interesting thing about this city of Kigali and Rwanda is that right now we're on the road. There's cameras everywhere. And all the cars are actually connected. So if you speed up, automatically you get a ticket. Like not like somebody like police is gonna come to you and give you a ticket. No, automatically you receive a message, you speed up. There's no discussion, there's no argument, there's nothing. That's the system here in Rwanda, man. And this is Africa. It is the system. So if you speed up, everybody knows that this is the speed you need to carry in the city. If you speed up, automatically those cameras, they catch you, and then you get a ticket. You know why this is important and why this should be adopted by all African countries? Because it reduces corruption. If you have police, you can just talk to you, oh, man, let me give you this, let me give you this, and then they let you go. I've seen that, I've experienced that in a lot of countries in Africa. But here, how are you gonna give corruption? The camera, they just catch you and they send you a message, you need to pay back. Here in Rwanda, did you know that? Did you know that? And this is Africa. Even some other countries away from Africa, they don't do that. But this is Africa. Guys, another very interesting fact about Rwanda. I always talk about the level of discipline and everything. And I remember we shared actually this video on Swahili Nation before, showing how His Excellency Paul Kagame and how the government of Rwanda took action over that Chinese dude who actually beat Rwandese people. You know, they were sent to prison and also deported, you know, after they're serving their time. So that is the policy here when it comes to investment. If you're coming from another country, you want to invest in the country, then there's a rules and regulation you have to follow. For instance, you have to give employment to the people here in the country, and also you have to do knowledge transfer of what you know, because the day you're going to leave, we want to be able to carry on to do what you are doing, right? We don't want to fully depend on you. We want to be independent, and if you want to partner with us, if you want to invest, then you need to do that collaboration and partnership, right? But in most of the countries, what you see, that's not the case, right? You know, we have seen a lot of videos. You see Chinese men beating the people. Oh, our people being mistreated in our own country. If we go to their country, we are mistreated there. We are beaten there. You know, they do whatever the heck they want to do to us. But even in our own countries, so Rwanda is one of the few countries, if it's not the only country, that has managed to keep that discipline. That you come here, you treat people as kings and queens because you are in our land. This is the land of the Rwandese people. This is the land of Africans. You can't come here and act like you're a boss. No, you came to our country, we are the boss. You understand what I'm saying? And you're not coming here to help us. No, you are helping yourself as well, because whatever you do, you see there's a profit that comes out of it. It's a partnership. It is the collaboration. Rwanda has managed to do that. Put respect on Rwanda. Put respect on this country. That's one thing. Another thing that I was getting from my brother Sam here, he said, if you have a house, you have housemaid, if it is he or she, if you dare to lay your hand on her or him, hey, you're going to pay a lot of money in return. You're going to face some charges. That's the level of discipline. That is the level of discipline. This system, the system of this country, man, is holding people accountable. Remember those 3 strategies that Rwanda had to do at Urugwiro in 1998 all the way to 1999 March. They made a decision. They put 3 strategies. The first one, they say this, that we're going to think big. Thinking big in everything we do. Second one, unity. We're going to come together as a people to build back the country. No more tribalism, no more religialism. We are one people of Rwanda and we're going to build this country. The last one, accountability. And this is the accountability I'm talking about. These are not just cheap talking, but with action. They put on action. And therefore, the people of Rwanda are being respected. If you're an investor coming to Rwanda, you can't just treat Rwandese anyhow. But look at in other countries, guys. Come on, man. Come on, man. When Africans are we going to wake up? And this is my request to all Rwandese. Please, 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 please talk about these things as much as you can, because Rwanda is very exceptional case in Africa. And I understand why this country is moving forward like this. And I understand why His Excellency Paul Kagame, he has a lot of enemies. And I understand why people, they try to put this country down. I understand. This country came from ashes 30 years ago. Today is on the top. Today is fast growing country in the continent. Today it's like this, the discipline, the accountability, the unity, the everything, man. These things are possible. These things are possible. It's possible to do that. Let's get back to our roots. Let's get back to our Africanism. Let's get back to our identity. Who are we? Where are we from? Why are we here? What can we do? And where we are going? We answer these questions. Our lives will never be the same again. Rwanda, I love you. Izara Mugisha. Guys, we just passed by the general car. And another interesting thing about leadership in Rwanda is that there is no favoritism. That general, you know, in most of the countries, if you have a general, you'll find him with some escorting police. And, you know, if you have a traffic jam, you find all those like, how do you call Kingora? Woo, woo, woo. You find that alarm. Excellence?
Excellence.
Excellence. Yeah. If you pass by, you find out, you know, there's this escorting police and, you know, and all this alarm that is trying to stop other cars, like to move out the way so that the general or the minister can pass by. I've seen that everywhere in the continent, but not in Rwanda. That general, patiently, he just stopped and then let other cars go. So if you're a minister, if you're a general, if you go to the bank, there's no favoritism. You line up with other people. If you go to hospital, no favoritism. You line up with everybody. This is what it means to be a servant leader. Because leader is not a title, guys. Leader, being a leader is not a title. Leader is a purpose. Leader is the service to the people you lead. You work for them and not otherwise. And you can see that in evidence in Rwanda. And that's why, you know, leaders and the people, you don't see that gay. I told you guys I met the minister of health and we've seen a lot of people as well. They're just down to earth people. They don't hold on to that title as if, you know, they were born from heaven and, you know, they live in heaven. No, they serve the people. They serve the people. That's how it's supposed to be. That's how we're supposed to treat one another. That's how, as a leader, we're supposed to be committed to sacrifice ourselves for the sake of many, because you have very, very, very secure a responsibility to work for 14 million people, or 60 million people, or 100 million people. Unfortunately, that's not the case in most of Africa's leadership. If you come to Rwanda, it's something else. Something else. Thank you, God, for Rwanda. Thank you, God, for this country. Kwizera Mugisha. My brother Sam, I appreciate you. Thank you for all the guidance today.
Praise God for sure.
This is the man that have made this possible. I was able to see the city of Kigali and to go to all those places because of his kindness.
My pleasure.
Blessed up, my brother. Mulakoze Chane.
Mulakoze.
And our driver right here.
Hello.
Blessed up. Amakuru.
Amakuru Nimeza.
What's your name?
Yeah, my name is Domicie.
Okay, don't say.
Yeah.
Don't say blessed up.
Domicie.
God bless you, man. God bless you.
God bless you, brother.
Yeah, and
Nyonkulu behind the camera right here. So we are going back.
Yes.
But the only thing we can promise you guys, we're gonna come back again.
Yes.
And do everything that we are supposed to do here in this country. We love you. Tulawakunda cyane. Imani bahezagire.
Peace out.
That's the way.
Is that a Mugisha?
Nyonkulu right here.